Dealing with an electrical fire requires caution and quick thinking to ensure safety and minimize damage. Electrical fires are particularly dangerous because they can spread rapidly and may involve live electricity, increasing the risk of electrocution. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to handle an electrical fire safely. Stay calm and assess the situation. Remain calm and evaluate the severity of the fire. Identify whether the fire is small and contained or if it has spread significantly. Turn off the power if safe to do so. Locate the main electrical panel and switch off the power supply to the affected area or the entire building. Only attempt this if you can do so safely without risking exposure to flames, smoke, or electrical hazards. Use the right fire extinguisher. Class C fire extinguishers are specifically designed for electrical fires. They use non-conductive agents like carbon dioxide or dry chemical powder. Never use water or foam-based extinguishers on electrical fires, as water conducts electricity and can lead to electrocution. Evacuate immediately if the fire spreads. If the fire grows uncontrollable or begins to produce heavy smoke, evacuate the area immediately. Ensure everyone in the building is aware of the danger and exit safely. Call emergency services. Dial your local emergency number to report the fire. Provide clear details about the location and nature of the fire. Avoid using affected appliances or outlets. Once the fire is extinguished, do not use any electrical devices, outlets, or appliances that were involved in the fire until they have been inspected by a qualified electrician. Prevent future electrical fires. To reduce the risk of electrical fires in the future, inspect wiring regularly. Have a licensed electrician inspect your home or workplace for outdated, damaged, or overloaded wiring. Avoid overloading circuits. Don't plug too many devices into a single outlet or extension cord. Replace damaged cords. Discard frayed or exposed wires immediately. Install safety devices. Use surge protectors and arc fault circuit interrupters to prevent electrical faults. Keep flammable materials away. Ensure no flammable objects are near electrical outlets or appliances. Important notes: do not attempt to fight large fires yourself. If the fire is spreading quickly or producing thick smoke, prioritize evacuation over firefighting. Smoke inhalation is dangerous. Cover your nose and mouth with a cloth if you must move through smoke-filled areas during evacuation. Electrocution risk. Always assume that electrical equipment and wiring are live unless confirmed otherwise. Summary of key actions: turn off the power if safe. Use a Class C fire extinguisher. Evacuate if the fire spreads. Call emergency services immediately. Prevent future incidents with proper maintenance and safety measures. Electrical fires can escalate quickly, so always prioritize safety and seek professional help when needed.